steady on the elevator.
Yep. Straight out, right? Yep. Okay. Yep. Woo. Oh, oh, oh. Whoa. Oh, oh, oh. Whoa. Well. Yeah. Whoops, get up there. Try not to be. Yeah, it's definitely less sensitive now. That's for sure.
Well, if you knock down the thru and increase the expo, that's what your goal was.
Yay!
It's nice and smooth.
This looks like a little wing. It's just really far out there. 3.6 kilograms.
Looks like it's a nice one.
Yay. This is basically a half hour every morning. Wow, it turns like that really different than my other wings. Like at right where it starts rotating, right there. That's weird. My other one, I've never flown a Zagi before. It's a little bit different shape, and the outside of the elevon is way bigger than anything I have. Like right there, I think it's because of the wind direction. It's almost like it pulls it around. That's hands off right there. I was really thinking something this heavy when it hit back under our bushes. I was like, well, something's gonna break.
Units are the only thing to come off.
No, I don't think it feels sluggish, but I definitely feel like some resistance, like it feels like I'm flying something big, you know? Now all I got to worry about is landing. That's true. Yeah, mow the grass a little.
I told you.
I would have thought it'd take them a couple of miles.
No. That's why I was worried about how much throw he still has in it for elevator.
Really cool. Now I can actually get some sleep. I've been nervous about this for a while. Different than they do too. I think the airfoil would have a different airfoil would have something to do with it, or
they're almost a flat bottom. I'm just surprised at how well this thing basically, like you said, you pull it up and you're doing like half pipe turns like you have a rudder on it, and yet it doesn't.
Yeah.
And usually with two winglets, you don't get that same effect. So.
If I knew I was gonna fly this good in this wind, I would have put a spot for more weight, I guess. Yeah. I got a little Runcam HD cheapo one I can put on there. I was just seeing, I wanted to see how quick it would turn now. Alright, I'm gonna bite into some landings and just see what I'm dealing with. Oh, I just wanted to, yeah. Well, there goes another. Yeah, maybe magnets on the. Woo!
Well, it might blow off. That was cool.
Oh man,
Freaking awesome.
I'm gonna take a break.